everyone, I am Nevi. Welcome to my channel, and I've got today something really exciting to share with you. How I started a business without any prior experience. Yep, you heard that right. Like many of you, I used to feel stuck. I was working in a demanding corporate job, juggling long hours and barely getting time for my family. I knew I had to find a way to make money without sacrificing precious family moments. That's when I came across this amazing opportunity, a DFY business. Now I know what you are thinking. Isn't starting a business hard? Trust me, I thought the same. But the beauty of this model is that everything is already set up for you. A done for you business. A DFI business or done for you business takes all the hard parts like setting up systems, email marketing, creating content, and does it for you. You don't need to worry about being a tech wizard or spending months learning how to do everything from scratch. All I had to do was follow the step by step guidance, plug into the system, and focus on sharing my business with others. The best part, it started paying me. I could not believe how quickly things came together once I started taking action and having belief into myself. This business not only gives me financial freedom, but it also teaches me high income skills. Isn't that amazing? I can work on my own schedule, spend more time with my family, and even keep my regular 9 to 5 job while my business runs in the background. Plus, I'm part of an incredible community of supporting women who are all growing their businesses too. We share tips, celebrate wins, and lift each other up when things feel tough. It's like having your personal cheerleading squad. So, if you are someone who is tired of feeling stuck or overwhelmed and you want to start making money online without having to figure it all out on your own, a DFI business might be the best fit for you. Perfect fit. If you're curious about how it works, drop a comment below or DM me on Instagram. I'd love to share more with you and help you get started. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and real talk about making money from home. Thanks for watching, and remember, if I can do this, so can you. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.